Let's check out some of the cool, useful online apps of the month, November 2020. Excited? So let's get started after a short intro. The first app in our list is Sleep Timer, and this is the must-have Android app for every smartphone user because it will stop all the media player running on the phone. If you are using your smartphone before going to bed for watching website or just listening to the podcast or music, then this will app help you much. Because if you are using your smartphone and just listening at the time of night, and if you fell asleep and the music will run all the night, so this app will stops running the background music. So just simply install the app from the link given in description or just search Sleep Timer in the Play Store. And the next app in our list is Night Screen. So this app is also the same purpose, and the people who use their smartphone in the night time, this app will prevent the brightness, and this app is useful to lower the brightness from the default UI. And just simply tap on this blue light filter, and after setting up, just simply low light adjust the brightness do you want at the night time when you use, and this app will reduce your eye drain at the night time. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. Before going to another app, kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I just upload the videos. And the like target for this video is 100 likes, and I know that you guys can do it. And next we have a game called Rush It. If you are bored with your smartphone playing heavy games, then this is the app Rush It you want to play, and try it now. And the it's just a simple ball game and addictive game. You are just aiming a ball through the series of obstacles and boxes, and you can only touch the barriers that have the same color of the ball. If you touch or hit any other color or the ball of the space, it will immediately game over. So easy to pick up, the eventually the levels will get lot harder and harder, and you will definitely get frustration by playing this app. So definitely try this app at least for once. Next up, we have one of my best favorite customization app called TruePix. If you love customizing your smartphone, then definitely you will obsess with this app. TruePix features some of handpicked fabulous wallpapers and amazing home screen setups with all the needed information about the resources used, like icon pack, launcher, widget names, their respective links. And talking to the new features, you can search various home screen setups by a specific icon pack widgets or by a launcher name, that you will get what you need. You can import custom widgets or launcher backups directly from the app. So definitely try this app, and the app link is given in the description below. And guys, again we have a customization related app called Volume Styles. If you're bored with your older UI volume styles, then this is the app for you. It will provide you a bunch of volume panels of different UI, no matter what you can use. You can pick up one UI panel, Oxygen, Apple, or anything you want, and you can create your own customized volume panel. You just need to select the volume panel whatever you want, and just you can create your custom own volume panel at the side. So definitely try this app, and this is a simple app to customize your smartphone volume panel. So definitely try this app at least for once. And finally we have app called App Sales. As it names, this app will suggest the details about the app prices and its sales. Just like an Amazon and Flipkart, this app will notify our favorite apps. If you want to check, just add the apps whatever you want in the checklist, and this app will notify when app price drops or it will comes to free. At the bottom you can find the option at the bottom you can find the apps collection which are free to install right now. So definitely try this app, or just install and keep it aside. It will notify when any app sales or price drop. So definitely try this app. And guys, our video best apps of the month is ended. If you're still watching this video, then thank you very much for the love and support, and I will be back again with another cool video. And I hope you subscribe to our channel. Finally consider joining in our Telegram group, where you can get a ton of 4K and AMOLED wallpapers. And guys, this is Anil from Anilation signing off. Bye bye.